Hey guys, it's me here. I don't know if my voice sounds different. I was screaming all day yesterday. Scream up. Alright, anyway, I just brought this up from my basement. It's a 1984 Macintosh computer. It's right there. This beast. Yeah, I had it for a long time, actually. It's the 10th one that was sold. I got to they released it, so it's the 10th one, and I have everything. The mouse. What's a block now? Yeah, I don't have the little ball thing. Everything in there. This. And this is the disk drive or the hard drive, or how it's called. Apple. Yep. It uses cartridges. I mean, not cartridges. This thing. Floppy disk. There we go. Yeah. So that's all I had to show you guys about, and peace.